Welcome to Alphabet Wild, where we explore amazing animals from A to Z. Today, we start with A for antelope, swift, sharp-eyed, and always on the move. Nature's elegant speedster. Let's jump into the wild and discover what makes these graceful runners so incredible. With over 90 species, from the tiny royal antelope to the massive giant eland, they're built for speed, agility, and survival. Some can leap 10 feet high and 30 feet long, that's Olympic-level jumping. Only males have those stunning twisted horns in most species, and they use them for showing off or fighting rivals.
Antelopes are super social, living in herds, and they've got serious radar. Their ears, eyes, and nose are always on alert.
That high bounce. It's called pronking, and it's their way of saying, back off, predators. Graceful, fast, and always alert, that's the incredible antelope.